Dear Pastor, I have 3 children. Their father and I have been friends for a long time. We started our relationship in high school. We had our ups and downs, but we never left each other. His mother told me that we were meant for each other, so we worked hard together. His mother can barely read. Her father left her a piece of land, and she handed it over to my children's father. We worked hard, and we got help to build a 2-bedroom house. We built another room so that his mother could be comfortable. I went to Hart and I learned housekeeping. My children's father was able to go on the farm work program. While he was there, he sent me money. One day he said he met a girl and he was tempted not to come back because people told him that he could marry her, then get divorced and return to marry me. I discouraged him from doing so and I told him I'd been faithful, so he should remember our pledge. When he came home, we discussed everything and he said he wasn't thinking straight. I got a job in a hotel and I met a man who told me he has been admiring me and wants us to be friends. I told him that can't work because I have a man and we have children together. This man is really testing me. He told me he could do more for me than my children's father by buying me a car. I asked him where he would get the money from, and he said he can't tell me everything at once. I am really tempted to spend some time with him just to test him out. I trust my children's father and I trust his mother, so I told her about this man and begged her not to tell her son. She told me she would keep her word. She did not. She told her son, and he asked me about it. I was so surprised. Now my children's father says he is starting to doubt me because he is not sure that I did not have bedtime with the man. His mother told me that she mentioned the man because she doesn't want to see us break up. Now, does that make any sense? I told her if I wanted him to know, I would have told him myself. I don't know what to do, so I am writing you for your advice. I am really worried.